This is the one-on-one coaching log. I'm going to share this with you, but for now, I'm just going to I'm going to just go over this with you. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how it is. I'm going to go through this step by step with you, okay?
Okay.
So it's a very simple process, right? Our goal is to go from where you're at, right? So that's why we have this coaching log. So we know, okay, to transform yourself. So your identity is the way you're being, the way you're thinking, everything, people around you. Like it's a different level of thinking to get to the result that you want, right? So upgrading your thinking will allow you to transform from within. Then obviously then there's a strategy, right? The strategy in place is, okay, we find a niche together, right? Which we'll go through, obviously locating a profitable niche using, the software, etc. Or you can automate the niche as well. You can go into there. But at the end of the day, the mindset is number one, right? So
Yeah.
you would focus there, and then from there would move into the strategy, right? $8.60 cost per conversion. Okay, from this 3,000, how much is profit? Because obviously the cost to get the customer was low. How much was the product to buy?
It's 2,656 shipping included.
And how much is the sale?
The sale is 3,120, something like that.
So what you're talking about, $500 profit, something like that.
Yeah.
You spent $293 in the course of your whole Google campaign. You made 10K from a $200 ad spend, or under $300. Alright, we've got 120 CTR, you've got 1.32 cost per click. Mesa, Mayor, Athena, and all these others. You're not spending a lot of money. Like Athena's only spent $4. You can't do a lot with that. And then when we get into the proper scaling, yeah, 5% is okay. Yeah, you put too much spend into it and it hasn't got a sell and it's hit break-even point, just turn it off. Get a cost per click of 47 cents.
I'm surprised. It's just you because your system, you got a good system, so. We just have to do what we have to do, and that's the beauty of a business. A good business is having a good system.
It's all systems.
So it makes it easy.
Oh yeah, for
sure. It makes it easy for people to come in and just plug and play, So.
Yep, for sure.
Okay.
Any other questions? Any other support? Whatever you need help with, yeah, just message me, okay?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how we doing?
Good.
I can't see you. Oh, okay, that's okay. Okay. So do you want to share your screen and go through it? In terms of what would you need help with? What would you specifically need help with?
About the thing is the supplier, because I tried to
Okay, so in this case we're gonna go, for example, let's go here. Okay. So
this is Google Shopping, right?
Yeah. So all this is Google Shopping, right? The goal is.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
So,
all good. Understand it?
Yeah, understand.
You're unstuck now. You're good to go, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You understand now, and then you're unstuck now. Let's go.
Okay. Any question? I send you a message.
Yep. Any questions? Send me a message. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Take care. Thank you. And then from there, we're gonna start to scale up with different methods. This is recession proof. Even you hear recession. What we have got going on, because it's the internet, people are always going to buy. So again, it's a strategy, it's systems, it's system orientated. So understand how to get sales, how to optimize the campaign, you know how to scale campaign, you understand the numbers, the break even point, you know the numbers. Again, we'll go into all that. Then the goal is for you to start hiring out like a $200, $100, $200, $300 ad spend. Your goal is to get 1 or 2 sales from there, just like my other student, like Marty, etc. Right? And then from there, you take the money to reinvest back into the business, and then reinvest and recycle the profits back. We'll get into the Google ad. Can you hear me now?
All right, good. I can hear you.
Good. How are we doing?
Okay. Thank you so much for.
So if you share your screen, we can go through what you've done and where you're at the moment.
I saw most of the money being at was because it's small enough to ship. It's not bulky. It's not heavy. So like women, 25 to 65, beauty, get out of the pit first.
Yeah.
With high ticket, I'm into real estate, and I always know people are always renovating.
Mm.
And they have the money. Here's where I saw, you clicked on brands, and there's everything there, right? So now it's just a matter of what kind of suits your brand and your product.
Buyers are more premium buyers. They've got money. They know what they want. Right, it's just about because they're searching for it, and it's just about creating an irresistible offer in their eyes that they have to buy.
Yes, they're gonna buy it anyway.
Oh, yeah.
I want them to be at least $1,000 or more, or 3,000 or
course.
more. Does that really matter?
Well,
So-
I mean, yeah. I mean,
Okay.
definitely, we don't want it low. We don't want like $200, $300. We need at least 1,000 to 3,000 because that's 1 to 3,000 a day.
Okay.
I'd rather you sell 1,000 item than sell a $200 item or $300 item. But they're gonna give you products at that price for sure, though. But we're not selling on that
Well, yeah.
price.
Okay. So just basically just focus on the ones. Ask them about the products that are well, at least $1,000 or more. You know, I
1,000 or
want
more.
those numbers.
4,000, 5,000, 6,000, those price points. Yep. I mean, really 1,000 plus. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So what happens after that? So once you got it onto the store, the goal is for you then to go through the part of the conversion, meaning creating the mafia offer, creating an irresistible offer, understand how it works, and then we're gonna pick out that irresistible offer together. And then obviously that's, you know, when the customer places an order with you, how do you place an order with a supplier, right? Again, you see how it works. But when you get an order, let's say 1,000. Again, remember, if once you get an order, it's only $1,000 to $3,000. It's not like these $10 products here, right? So it's like $1,000 to $3,000 days because you're selling one item, two items. Right? Okay, so you make a sale, and what do you do? Right, the goal is the supplier is gonna give you a portal. Majority of the time, they give you a portal, and you can order from that portal. And there's and obviously and also the one in the training I explain how to also order a product, you know, how to place a request to the supplier, and then obviously you ask them out of all these products which ones are performing the most and how many units are being sold. So you're getting data from the supplier, and then we can then start to run traffic, get some sales, look at the numbers and optimize, and then you can move into getting more brands because you understand, and then obviously that's going to be added to the store, right? And then after that, it's time to run Google ads. So we're going to test with these products that are already making sales, right? You're going to then use a heat map to understand what's happening with the customer and where they're coming in terms of the visitor. So they're coming in, what they're doing on the store. Okay, maybe you got a sale here, you got another sale in this ad group. Okay, this person came in, but they left out the cart. Yes, emails, SMS is coming out, but what happened during the process? Why did they not buy? And then that's how we're going to go optimize the process. And then once we get in some sales and stuff, we get at least 3 sales in a row with a product, we'll move it into its own